Claudette Colvin was born on September 5, 1939, in Montgomery, Alabama. As a 15-year-old African-American girl, she was on a bus and refused to give her seat up to a white passenger. This event happened 5 months before Rosa Parks did the exact same thing. After this event happened to Colvin, she called the NAACP because she wanted something to be done with the segregation of the bus systems. When Colvin called, they decided that this situation was perfect for a boycott situation. At the time, a woman named Rosa Parks was the receptionist for the NAACP. The NAACP loved this idea but thought Colvin couldn't reenact this again because Colvin's complexion was very dark compared to someone mixed. The public wouldn't react well to a dark-skinned woman compared to a lighter complexion, such as the receptionist, Rosa Parks. So they decided that Rosa Parks would recreate the situation and create a boycott. So in the end, Parks got all the credit for the Montgomery bus boycott. No one ever hears about Claudette Colvin, and I do believe that this is an unfair situation to Colvin, and so did her nephew. Colvin's nephew fought for years and still is fighting for his aunt to get the credit she deserves. When children are taught about the Montgomery bus boycott, they should learn about Rosa Parks and Claudette Colvin. The boycott would have never happened if it wasn't for the situation that happened to Colvin first, and she needs her credit where it was deserved. People should know the whole story with the Montgomery bus boycott, not just part of the story, and make sure that Colvin's name is brought up in every learning aspect of the Montgomery bus boycott.